In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make one-page landscape in LibreOffice Writer. If you've ever needed just a single wide page for a table, chart, or image without changing the rest of your document, this is exactly how to do it. In LibreOffice Writer, page orientation is part of a page style, so we'll temporarily switch styles for one page and then switch back. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer and opening your document. Decide which page needs to be landscape. Now place your cursor at the very end of the page immediately before that target page. This position matters because we're about to insert a page break that tells Writer to start a new page with a different style. Go to the top menu and choose Insert, then More Breaks, then Manual Break. A dialog box will appear. In this dialog, choose Page Break, so Writer inserts a new page right after your cursor. In the Style dropdown, select Landscape, then click OK. Writer creates a new page and applies the landscape page style to it. You should now see that the new page is wide, with horizontal orientation, while everything before it remains in portrait. This is perfect for content that needs extra horizontal space. Here's an important note. If you stop here, all pages after the landscape page will continue using the landscape style. To keep only a single page in landscape, you'll switch the style back for the following pages. Place your cursor at the end of the landscape page. Again, go to Insert, then More Breaks, then Manual Break. In the dialog, select Page Break. In the Style dropdown, choose Default Page Style, or whichever portrait style your document was using before, then click OK. The next page will return to portrait orientation, and the pages after it will follow suit. You've now isolated a single landscape page between portrait pages using page breaks and styles. A couple of tips for clarity. This method preserves the flow of text and ensures headers, footers, and margins follow the active page style. If your document uses a custom portrait style name, select that instead of default page style. After inserting the breaks, scroll through your document to confirm the one page you intended is landscape and that everything before and after is portrait. This approach works consistently across versions of Writer and is the recommended way to mix orientations within a single document. That's it. With just 2 manual breaks and a quick style switch, you can make exactly one page landscape while keeping the rest of your document clean and consistent.